गेट अप, एनीथिंग। मतलब कम हेयर मतलब यहाँ आओ, गो देयर मतलब वहाँ जाओ, लुक आफ्टर, लुक आफ्टर का मतलब बाद में देखो। ये सभी सेंटेंस को आप नोट कर लीजिए, ठीक है। गो देयर वहाँ जाओ, सिट डाउन बैठ जाओ, सिट डाउन माई चाइल्ड, सिट डाउन माई डॉटर, सिट डाउन मदर, सिट डाउन ब्रदर, एनीबडी। योर टीचर यू हैव टू से माई डियर स्टूडेंट प्लीज सिट डाउन, please sit down in the class, don't piss, okay? Stand up my dear child, stand up my dear brother, stand up, get up, stand up मतलब my dear child stand up मतलब मेरे बच्चे खड़े हो जाओ। listen to मतलब listen to my dear student, listen to my lecture, listen to my lecture मतलब ध्यान से सुनो मेरी व्याख्या को। लिसन टू दिस सॉन्ग दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, लिसन टू मी माय डियर स्टूडेंट, लिसन टू माय लेक्चर दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, वेट ए मोमेंट्स, एनीबडी एग्जाम। अब किसी भी चीज में देखते हैं, वेट प्लीज, माय टीचर हैज बीन कमिंग, bank officer has been coming, my mother has been coming, my brother has been coming, anybody. Wait please my dear student, 1 minute please wait, 1 minute रुको students, my dear hurry up, my dear student hurry up this question, मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स इस क्वेश्चन को जल्दी करो, and time is less, okay? What happened? आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, कहीं पर भी गया होगा, व्हाट हैपन, व्हाट हैपन माय चाइल्ड, व्हाट हैपन ब्रदर, व्हाट इज सिस्टर, व्हाट हैपन, एब्सोल्युटली। एंड एनीबडी सडनली एंड डेंजरली वे हैज बीन गोइंग एंड इन फिट इन टच, व्हाट हैपन माय चाइल्ड, इट इज राइट, व्हाट हैपन मतलब हरी अप, what happened, I don't know, this is your problem, I don't know, what happened, this question of answer 1 minute give inside you have to get, and in answer of question 1 minute inside you cannot get, I remove the exam, I fail the exam, okay? And I understand my dear son, this time I have been speaking, I understand your English language, I understand Hindi language, anybody language, I understand, this time I have been teaching online, I understand, please try to understand in this class, that is very important. First time I have been saying in this English class part 1 basic to advanced, and English class is the first today, and today this time I have been teaching online, only I have been saying my dear student I understand, okay? I am hungry, okay? I am hungry। किसी की माँ बोलती है मेरे बेटे तू भूखा है, my child, this time my child where has been doing, this time 3 hours till my son is very angry, mother and father, it is very very seriously, our child, mother and father, a lots of loves of child, you are tried, you are, this sentence I have to wrong brother, and I have to write, you are tried, this time I am very work hard, therefore I am very tried, this time I am very working and work pressure reason I am very tried, I will try, I have tried, anybody thing, okay? देखिए, we are happy, this time your teacher has been saying my dear student, are you in this time 8th class, are you happy, if you give the exam after next level you can give, are you happy, are you interested in this exam, you can solve the question of the answer. And the student has been saying, yes, today I am very happy. Therefore in this time write in the board, we are happy. My dear child, आप खुश है? टीचर कहती है माँ, ब्रदर, भाई, बेटे, एनीबडी कुछ भी कहता है कि बेटे, child, daughter, happy, mother, father, parent, anybody thing, right, cat, dog, anybody thing, you are happy. Yes, this time I am very happy. Okay, this sentence one layer has been completed. Second layer I am going. What is this? This is glass nest. What is this? All of sudden anybody, this time I am. What is this? I don't know. What is this? You have been thinking about me? I don't know. What is this? What is this? This is a chasma, this is a marker. English to Hindi I have been mixing, don't worry. This time I am not English expert teacher, I am a student. This time I have been practicing English, okay? What is this? This is a boy, this is a Ram, this is a car, this is a Brahmaputra Mel, this is Damodar Nadi. Anybody, look at the board. Listen to me. Going there. Anybody think add is this? Okay? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? मतलब तुम कौन हो? I am your husband. I am your wife. I am your student. I am your mother. We are your student. You are my girlfriend. You are my boyfriends. It is right. Who are you? Okay? Where are you? मतलब I am from Bihar. I am from Bengal. I am from Mumbai. I am from Hyderabad. I have been came from India. In this time where has been coming from? I have been coming from India. Okay? This time how are you? How are you? मतलब पूछता है कि आप कैसे हो? How are you? English. English is basic class part 1 before understanding. This is the most very important quotation. Please note down in the notebook. English is a international language. Or anybody, English, Chinese, Marathi. If you have to speak English in all language of the king, English is all language is the king is English. But English is very much important. World of anybody go to the country and you have help the communication English. But very much important learning English. Okay? Go to Japan. Do not understanding Japanese language, but English language now kindly help you. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing मतलब कहता है What are you doing मतलब कहता है कि आप क्या करते हैं, तुम क्या करते हो. In this time I have been teaching. In this time I am private job, I am government job, I am IS officer, I am district collector. What is circle officer and what is related? I don't know. What are you doing? Do you understand? Listen to me. This time I have been teaching. Do you understand? And you have comment in the book. Yes, I understand. Are you ready? Then I have to say, are you ready? Then you have been saying, yes, I am ready. So, कहता है कि मेरा बेटा तुम रेडी है. माँ बोलती है टीचर, भाई बहन कोई भी बोलता है कि बेटा रेडी है. आर यू रेडी? And my mother has been English language has been now. My dear child, are you ready? Are you ready in this game? Are you ready in this ride the train? Okay man, I like it. I say my mother, I like it, I want to buy. Then mother reply, this time my dear child, I have some money, but enough money, but I cannot help you. I cannot buy this project. It is very costly high. Okay. I need help. किसी भी रास्ता चलते आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, कोई को मदद का जरूरत होता है कि हमको मदद कर दो, करता है ना, बोलता है, कोई भी बोलता है I need help. My dear brother, kindly help me. Yes, I can help you. But anybody person of ego inside has been coming, I cannot help you. Not. Anybody person need help, immediately help. But if you have to help nature help automatically you. Okay? आई डोंट नो, कहता है मुझे पता नहीं, मैं नहीं जानता हूं. व्हाट इज दिस? यस, यस आई नो. डोंट नो, नो आफ्टर नो इज वेरी हाई. ओके, इट इज ओके, कोई बात नहीं. कोई भी बोलता है कि बेटा, माँ कहता है कि बेटा तुमसे होगा, बोलता है माँ नहीं होगा. मदर कहती इट इज ओके, डोंट वरी, नेक्स्ट वर्क इट गए, नो प्रॉब्लम, कोई समस्या नहीं है. दिस वन होम इज बिहार, वन होम इज बोम. माय डियर चाइल्ड, वेयर इज लिविंग? बंगाल एंड बिहार, बंगाल एंड मुंबई, एंड आई हैव टू सेलेक्ट वन ऑप्शन बिहार. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. एनी नो प्रॉब्लम माय डियर चाइल्ड, स्टे इन बिहार, डोंट वरी. सॉरी, माफ कीजिए. किसी भी चलते रास्ते में देख लेते होंगे, कोई को धक्का लग गया, कोई को चोट लग गया, तो कहते कहते हो सॉरी. मतलब सॉरी इज ए बिग सेंटेंस. सॉरी इज ए बिग सेंटेंस फॉर सेविंग लाइफ. ओके, आइए. एक्सक्यूज मी, किसी को चोट लग गया, जा रहे धक्का दे दिया, चश्मे टूट गया, पानी फेंक दिए. देखिए ये है लवड़, इसे फेंक दिए किसी पर, कैसे बोलता है? एक्सक्यूज मी मतलब माफ कर दीजिए. आई कैन नॉट मिक्स टेस्ट अगेन टाइम. ओके, कहता है कि माफ कर दीजिए, अगले समय से गलती नहीं होगा. ठीक है, देखिए आई विल डू इट, मैं यह करूंगा. दिस इज योर प्रॉमिस, कहता है कि दिस इज योर प्रॉमिस, आई विल डू इट. यस आई कैन डू इट, थैंक यू. आई कैन डू इट, मैं यह कर सकता हूँ. डेफिनेटली इनसाइड कॉम्पिटिशन हैज बीन, inside has been confidence world of anybody, and India is the difficult exam, you will be clearly. Okay, I trust you, मतलब कहता है I trust you, you trust you inside confidently, everything in the everything work will be possible. Okay, don't worry my mother, don't worry I am here, मतलब कहता है मेरी माँ घबराइए मत, मैं यहाँ हूँ. You can do not work, definitely you're changing after I will do the work. Okay, keep going, चलते रहो. कहता है टीचर, कहता है टीचर स्टूडेंट को कहता है if you work hard will be get success. Work hard during thousands of problem will be face, but keep doing, keep going. Don't worry, success either failure you get, way of part of life. Don't worry, keep going, मतलब चलते रहो. Never give up. If you have to fail in the exam, don't worry, never give up. Try again, try again, try again. Okay, try again. कहता है माँ, कहता है बेटे से my dear child, thousands of exam you have to fail, don't worry, try again, try again, try again, definitely one day will be success in this class. अगर ये क्लास अच्छा लगा हो तो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर और फॉलो करके बताइए कैसा लगा क्लास. बस इतना ही, धन्यवाद.